Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to change your Wi-Fi password using your mobile phone. So guys, now go to your browser and tap on the search bar and search 192.168.0.1. Now you have to enter here your username and your password and then just tap on OK. Now tap on wireless, tap on wireless security, and guys, this is your password. And if you want to change your password, then you have to write your new password, and after entering your new password just tap on the OK, and then your password will be changed. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.